Hi there, this is Oliver. I want to quickly show you how a quick cut works in the Flow Center. You're currently looking at the Flow Archive editorial surface, and I'm going to pick out a video by simply clipping out this video tab. I'm going to open a video. I'm going to pick this one because it's rather nice. I am going to start the video, simply hit play, and I can now pick with the markers in point and out point. Let's say I want to go in here. I've made a marker and I want to select this out point, and all I do is I hit the button called cut. The system now asks me, you can see that, the system now asks me to rename my cut, or it actually takes the file name and just adds the seconds. You can see that at the end here. I am going to call this my cut number 5, and I simply hit OK. What the system is now doing, and he's telling me that he's doing that, he's processing the file, and he will include my new cut both in the download list, so I have it immediately available. Here it is. There it is already. There it is already, and I could now view this file, or I can view it in my archive. I go back to the overview, and if I hit the My Cuts selector, it'll show me all of my cuts. Here's my cut currently being processed. What is happening here? It says it's transcoding because it's making the preview videos of it. You're going to have to wait for a second to see that. But the cut is already now available, and I could now review the cut, send the cut onto a third party, have somebody else look at the cut within the same group or system. Now here's my cut is finished. So I simply double click it, and there you are. There's your cut. And you can now go and, for example, add some comments. You can see that down here. I can add additional comments here to this cut. I could look inside the cut and pick individual frames, go back and forth, etc., everything that the player does. I could loop it, I could run it slow, I could run it fast. So there's a lot of things you can actually do. So I've made my cut. Let's say I want to show somebody this cut. I would use the showroom to do that. So I'm going to go open one of these showrooms. Going to make a new one. My cut number 5. Going to name that room, and then simply by drag and drop add the cut that I made. If I want to add obviously additional other items, I simply pull in an additional items. Then I'm going to open the room. Here's my selection. I'm going to make it let's call it a standard layout. I'm going to add some text to that. My cut number 5, there it is. There is already a text. I'm going to add the cut again by dragging and dropping. I'm going to add this one as well. Hit save, and you're done. If you've added some addresses in here by simply typing a name or pulling something from the database. Oops, sorry, I've got that wrong. @flowworks.de. I'm going to add that. There you go. I'm going to save that. I can get the system to send out this mail as well. But let's actually rather quickly look at this room that the system has made. If I hit view, it'll open up the new additional room, and there's your cut. It's in a new URL. So it's a separate little microsite that the system has made, and I've got both items that I wanted to show in here. User can review this cut, can comment the cut. This is great. And save the comment. Obviously, since I'm not logged in, I didn't ask them to have this room made with a login. I can ask the system to do that. I will see those, or I can even offer a recipient of the room a download in various formats, but that's something I can freely select. Okay, so there you go. That's how cutting works in the Flow system. And of course, I'm doing all of this in the browser, so it's quick, easy, and very simple to manage. Okay, thank you.